What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP, and this is your morning market wake-up call for Tuesday, August 4th, 2020. We hit another record high for gold overnight. Let's go ahead and jump on into the markets and see where we're going to be starting today off at. As I just said, gold hit 1994 overnight. We have come back down some. We're currently at 1979.69. Silver is at 24.39, giving us a ratio of 81.16. Platinum is up ever so slightly, currently at 929.55, and palladium has made a nice little gain for itself at 2173.33. In other metals markets, rhodium held steady yesterday at 89.50. Copper is down a penny at 2.91. Aluminum is almost up a penny. It's currently at 76 cents, but it's about to tick over into 77. And uranium is steady at 32.20. Barrels of crude oil were up yesterday, but they have come back down, currently at the same levels we were yesterday at 40.29 a barrel. We saw a great day on Wall Street yesterday. The Dow was up 236 points at 26,664.40. The NASDAQ saw a record-breaking day. It was up, forgot to click the button. It was up 157 points. It closed at a record high of 10,902.80. And the S&P 500 was up 23 points at 3294.51. Don't listen to anybody who tells you that the economy is not doing well. Clearly, there are people out there that have money to invest, and now you might say, Nate, it is the big investors, it's the big banks, it's the big investment firms that are taking in the windfalls now. That's not true, guys. Anybody can get in on the stock market. All you got to do is open up a Robinhood account or an Acorn account or a TD Ameritrade like I did, and you can get in on this, guys. It's not rocket science, but that's why we report on it. There are people out there that do want to know. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, well, I'm sorry that you took a little bit of a hit overnight. Bitcoin, as reported yesterday, was right around 11.1. It is there again, but it was up as high as 11,500 at one point yesterday. Bitcoin's currently at 11,182.04. And if you happen to be a fan of the Utah Goldback like I am, then those are going off at $3.27. In today's video, I was going to read an article. This is about gold pricing hitting a new high, and $2,000 is proving to be a strong resistance. It's a pretty lengthy article, and I'm actually not going to read the article today, but I want to know what you guys think. What is it going to take for us to get gold past that $2,000 resistance level? Now, we are now in uncharted territory. Gold and part silver. I mean, this is the best silver pricing that we've seen in almost 10 years. A lot of us in the stacking community, I feel like, probably weren't stacking 10 years ago. I know I certainly wasn't. I didn't start until just a year and a half ago, and there's probably a lot of guys that are in the same boat as I am. I'm sure that there are several guys out there that have been stacking for a long time. But what do you guys think now that we are approaching uncharted territory and we're seeing potentials for new highs in gold every single day, but we can't quite get to that $2,000 mark? What do you think is it going to take to get to $2,000? Is it going to take a ramp up of pandemic? Is it going to take another market crash? What do you guys think it's going to take? Likewise, for silver, we got up to $26 a week ago, and it came back down. We've been in this $24.50 range for like the last 4 or 5 days now. What is it going to take for us to get back over $25, $26 an ounce? I'm just curious on what you guys have to say on the topic. Let me know down in the comments below. Guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you. And if you happen to appreciate old IndyXP, go ahead and give me a like smash right there. Boom, so I can beat the YouTube algorithms. If you happen to be new to the Independent Experience and you want to keep up to date on all the latest and greatest content, why don't you consider hitting that subscribe and jingle bell right there, bing bong, so you can stay notified of when new content is coming out. The card's coming up right here. The latest and greatest video is going to be right there in that box. Make sure you hit that at the end of this one. Guys, I have been IndyXP from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.